Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how can you replace your electric outlet panel, the socket. Right now I'm replacing it outside one, but it is same for inside one as well. But for outside you better have to have this kind of GFC outlet, which is important. This will give protection, so that's why I am doing it. And the tool that you need, actually mainly, you can see you need a tester and a screwdriver. Before you do any electrical work, you must turn off the power, which I just did. You saw the power went down. I completely shut down the power, and then check if there is any power. There is no power here, so no power, everything looks fine. So now let me open it. So I just open it, and before even you touch, make sure there's no current here. You checked with this tester, there's no current, it looks fine. Now I'm taking it out, and you see the connection, the black and white one, and the ground. If you want, you can take a picture of this so that you remember. And then I need to open this one again. I want to check if there is any current. No current, nothing, so it is safe to touch and open. So this one is done. This screw is not good. Okay, now it worked. So this should go out, and this one. This will come out too. Done. Now I am opening this one and see what comes inside it. You can see also they are giving some sticker. If you want to use the sticker, they are giving the manual. Inside the manual, like you can check all the manual, everything. I'm not wasting time on doing that. So this is the thing. This is the socket, and here you can test it after connecting to the power. And these are the two ports that where you put the line, one black and one green. And this is the ground. You can see this is the ground, so it is almost similar. So before I install it, I just want to take out these screws because I have to put it here. So it's now ready to use. Let me open these things a little bit. I'm unscrewing, and all of them, as well as the ground one. So let me first attach the ground one. Using this plus, I just making it nice shaped so that it fits nicely. So this part is done. I have to now connect it, tighten it up. Yes, it's done. You can see it's done. And one will go here. Yep, it has gone here. And let me connect other side. So then tighten it up. So all connections are tight enough. All connections are tight enough, and let me put it inside. Just like right in right shape. I just put it, but I'm not putting the cover right away because I want to first test it. So let me turn on the power now. So I'm turning on the power. I just turned on the power. So if you check, the light glows. It has all the voltage, everything. Now you can see this light is off. So if I press it, you can see this glows. So that means it has power. So now I have to again turn off the power and connect this one. So I just turn off that one, and I'm putting the cover. I'm putting the cover. I just need to make sure that I'm putting in the right, so that it and putting the other side. So I'm tightening it up. It took me little time to adjust this one. Like this side, I was not able to find the gap, like find the right position. So it took little time for me, but now it is good. So I'm just tightening it up. So it is good now. Let me turn on the power again. I just turn on the power and let me put it. So you can see the power is on. And now I want to plug in this bulb here, and you can see the bulb is glowing. The bulb is glowing, you can see it is glowing, so it is working as expected. So friends, that's all about this video. Before I finish, I am letting you know one thing, that if you are not comfortable with electric things, don't do it. Call a professional, because it is not just you can just play and all this. You need to call somebody. Otherwise it is very easy. And make sure when you do anything, you take all precautions and make sure you turn off the power completely. So that's the tips. And friends, let me know how do you like this video, and if you have any thought or any suggestion, please put it in the comment box. And please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.